One step you can reduce no speed. Okay, so we made one file yesterday. Example 2. Let's create one more file. Example 3. In same folder. Which folder? Ramset folder. Create one more file. Example 3.html. Okay, example 3.html. Come inside this file. We will design the structure like this. You will have one section on the top, one section in the left side, one more section in the right side, and one in the bottom. Something like this. So there will be total 3 rows. This will be the first row, R1. This will be the R2. R2. This will be the R3. R3. Row 3. Okay. In row number 2, this is your call 1. This is called column 2. Column 2. And this will be the column 3. Column 3. Now suppose the first row you are giving the height as a 10% of the height. 10% of the height. So this one will be call 3. Yeah. So this is the 10% of height. Suppose this is the 15% of the height. 15% of the height. And 15% of the height. And then you can say this one you can give remaining how much? 75. 75% of the height. In that, this will be as a 75% of the height. In 75% height, you are going to give the first column maybe how much? 20 by 75. 20 by 75. Second, you can give this also we can give 20 by 75. 75. This much how much? 60. 60 by 75. Now it is height by row, h by w by width by height, w by h. Width is how much? 25 and height is how much? 75. 20% is the width and 75% is the height. Okay, all 3 places. Middle one is 75% height, 60% is the width. So this we need to design one, and after that you will get very good idea. Let me put every color combination we can choose. So total how many rows? 3 rows. Okay. Maybe we can keep like this also. Here on the top we can create a row. can create a row on the top also. So it will become total fourth row, fourth row, fourth row. So from here, from 75, maybe somewhere 8 we can minus. 75, we have the height. In that 75, if you give here 8%, suppose 8% if you give here, then how much will come here? 75 minus 8 you can do 67. 67 only, no? Okay. So that will be something like this. The total now it will not be 3 rows, it will become a 4 rows. 4 row will be there, as well as in the first row only one column, second row also only one column, third row you have total 3 column, and the fourth row you have only one column. And then using the different file color combination we can achieve it. In that we have as of now few files, we are going to use that. Some files is not there, that we have to create it. Okay, so this is clear now. Now we'll go ahead with the example 3. So first we have to do row wise division or column wise. First will be row wise, and after that we can go for the column level. Okay, clear. Then come to the example 3. Under example 3, start from HTML, follow the head section, not head section, FRAMECT frame set. Under frame set, use the row wise, rows equal to first row 8%, second row 67%, third row how much? No, second row will be 10%, 10%, third 67, last will be again 15%. Sum of all should be 100%. Ready? Now for each row we have to let's go inside. Frame src equal to the first we can call a file called info.html, that will go under the 8%. Second you can call, you have created a file frame src equal to header.html. Next you can create a file. Next we have welcome.html. Next we have called footer.html. This is the plain structure where you are breaking the screen into 4 rows. It is going to break into 4 rows. In that info file is not exist. Picture is here. Here we have made as now column. We have display only one rows. That is called welcome file. This is only one row. We have called in that row this file called as a welcome.html. We can apply here border 0, border equal to 0, so that lining will not appear. Code will look clean. Okay, about ready. Check now. Minimum 3 pages should work. Header, welcome, footer. 3 pages loading. Info file is not exist. Info file we have to create. Info file is not exist. We have to create the info file. It's look like this. So hope till here we are ready. We need to create one more file, info.html. Create one file, info.html. Created. So hope no error. If error come, you can let me know in the chat. Okay, info.html. In info.html file, we will follow the HTML and will follow the body tag, where body bg color will be complete blue color, and in the blue background we have to create a table. In the blue background we have to create a table. That table align will be center and width should be somewhere 80%. Line center and width 80%. By default, what is the text color? Black. Now background you are given the blue. Inside the blue, black will be visible almost now. So we have to change the text color. We have to change the text color. So how to change the text color? Open a TR, close the TR, follow the TD. Under the TD, you can write a tag called font. Font color equal to white. Then we can write inside help line number line number one more TD we have to write. In the second TD we have to write align equal to right. Align equal to right. One helpline number should come in the left side. Email ID or maybe address should appear in the right side. Something like this. So this TD, by default TD will come in left side. So first TD will come in left side only. Second TD we are instructing to come in the right hand side. Save now and check once. You will find in the black blue background, white color text will appear. You can check once. Example 3. See in that info file is loading or not. Info.html. Saving the file. Let us see what is the loop output. Final result is like this. Similar. Final result is like this. Please check once. Let me know if any error looking similar or different. Everything is old only. We have stored the file in frame set. Example 3 is the new file and info is the new file. Remaining all are old file only. I have shared the example 3 HTML code. You can refresh your code also and then have a look once. Example 3 and info code. Both I will share. Example 3 is there already. Info.html code is also sent in your chat. Use both the code. Okay, so go ahead. Next, what is the image? Image says like the middle row should not be the only one row. It should be how many columns? 3 columns. We'll come to the HTML part. In HTML example 3 file, the welcome line we have written. The welcome line is responsible to, the welcome line is holding the 67% of the height. Welcome line is holding the 67% of the height, correct? Now come there, remove the welcome line, and after that, here is the output. Now output went wrong because I have removed the welcome file. This is the output, this one. In that we are going to modify now. I have shared the code, no? Please use that code. If not working, either you share your code or take my code. If you share your code, I can find out the error. Else you can take my code. This is output. Header on the 8%, navigation in the 10%, remaining is here. Working for you, Deepa? So come to the example3.html file. In that, delete the frame line. We have written one welcome file. Delete that line. After that, follow the frame set. Frame set calls equal to false equal to 20% one column, 60% another column, next 20% is the last column. 20, 60, 20. So total width is 100%. We divided into 3 columns. That 3 columns we are going to something like this. The 3 column we are going to break something like this. If RA frame src equal to, we can call a file frame src equal to, we can call a file call left.html. We have one file. Yesterday we have created a file left. Then we can create one more file here. Frame src equal to welcome.html. Next, after that, one more line, write.html. Left, welcome, right. Left, right, and then welcome. Now left file we have yesterday we have created. Welcome also we have. We have to create one file write.html. We'll create that. Created. Next file write.html. Write which background we are given. Will not give any background in the write.html. I share the content of complete example 3. A to Z everything I share in the chat. So let's go ahead. Write.html file. Let's go under the write.html file. Body tag will not give any background. We'll write in that h2 updates h2 hr color equal to blue, size equal to 5 pixel, 5 pixel thickness, 5 pixel thickness, one line will appear, that will be in the blue color. Next, after that, you can write here a tag will mark you direction equal to down. Text will move towards down. In that you can add in paragraph some text. This is moving text by marquee tag. This is moving text by marquee tag. One paragraph, one more paragraph you can add. Paragraph, the direction is down. The direction is down. Next paragraph, it is auto scroll. Now for this direction marquee, you will give height equal to any number, 300, 400 you can give, 350 let me give. Marquee direction equal to down. So the text will scrolling down automatically. The text will be scrolling down automatically. Hope ready? Text is moving down in the right hand side. Height is more, so it's a scroller came for me. My screen is small, I'll keep 300. Sequence, text should come down. You are getting the text scroll in the right, top to bottom. It will be scrolling like this, top to bottom. Okay. Next, after that, we have one property here, behavior. Behavior equal to alternate. Behavior equal to alternate. BEHAVIOR. Behavior equal to alternate. Save now. Alternate and finding anything? It will go up and come down, go up and come down. That is suitable for the small text. If you have the limited text, then you can keep behavior alternate. It will go up and it will come down, go up and come down. If you have bulk text, then it will not work out like that. See, it will go up. Behavior spelling, please check. BEHAVIOR. BEHAVIOR. OU should not apply. BEHAVIOR. Behavior equal to alternate. Behavior equal to alternate. Next, after that, page you are able to divide into multiple blocks. Now suppose this middle section we have, middle section, which file is calling here? Welcome. Welcome only, no? In case, so hope you are clear till here, no doubt. Info file, example 3 is the main file. Example 3 is the main file. Now one small task for you. The welcome block is coming in the middle. What is the area for that? What is the total area for this? Height is how much? 67. Width is how much? 60%. It's a 67 by 40, 60%. That only, no? Height is 67% and width is how much? 60%. Now in this, we want to create two rows. In the middle section where the welcome is coming, this should break into two rows. Two rows. We want to create in the middle section how many rows? Two rows. Possible? If possible, which file you will alter? Think properly. If the middle white section is coming, it's coming from which file? Welcome file. Now this area we want to break into two rows, like two blocks, one first block and one second block. Which file we need to alter? Anyone?
Sir, welcome file.
Welcome file. All are confirmed. There is a two file in front of you, example 3 and welcome. Choose anyone from your side, which you will modify. Only one person says college welcome. Okay, remaining no one has other one replied. So I'm waiting for the reply of everyone in the chat. Yogesh says welcome. Welcome. Anyone else? Okay, that meaning you have not understood. Welcome file you cannot modify. You have to modify this line. Which line? Example file we have to modify. No, everything remains same. The welcome line you are calling here frame set. Example src equal to welcome.html. That line you have to delete, and there you have to open one more frame set. Close the frame set, and there you have to write rows equal to 50% and 50%. Then in that 67% of the height will break into how many parts? Two parts. Okay, go. Let's go. So this file you don't modify. Example 3, let it be. It is for your reference. Copy example 3 and create next file. Example 4. In example 4, we'll do the R&D. Okay. Example 3, copy everything, paste in the next file called example 4.html. There we'll do the R&D. Hope ready? Example 4 file is ready? Go ahead. Save the file. Right here call example 4.html. Example 4 file is ready. Now from example 4, delete that welcome line. Delete that welcome line. After deleting the welcome line, come inside, open a frame set. Go here, write as a rows equal to. So that 67 by 60, you want to make a row or column? Row. 2 rows is required in that. So we have to write rows equal to. Now 67% height will be considered as 100%. For whom? For the frame set. See, the frame set is under which area? Under the area of 67 by 60. Now under the frame set, we want to make 2 blocks. And in each block, you will call 1 file. So how many files? 2 files. Correct. So both the rows, what we are going to create under the frame set, both the rows will be the children of frame set. This frame set what we are writing now. So the sharing of this frame set is how much? 67 by 60. So assume like frame set is a child of another frame set. Okay. And this frame set is the child of another frame set. Like you can consider one grandfather has 3 sons. In that 3 sons, one has 3 sons. In that one has 3 sons. Correct. So last son cannot expect 100% of grandfather of the grandfather. He can expect the 30% of each father. Correct. Because he is a 3 brother. Now look at here. So this frame set, whichever the area is going to occupy, that will be considered the 100% for their children. So this frame set is going to convert those area that height is 67 and width is how much? 60%. Let's go here. Next, after that, we will write here rows 50% first row and 50% is second row. This line I was not supposed to write, but I thought let's check where are you. Okay. Now call one is a frame set, not frame set, frame. FRAME equal to welcome dot HTML, and one more you can call here, call maybe anything about dot HTML, or maybe something called service.html. See it now. Hopefully it should break as a row wise. See it now. Hope ready. Page divided into how many rows? 2 rows. Info file is not there for me. Service file is not there. But anything wrong in this? Frame set src rows equal to is okay, but it's not showing page not found. Nothing coming. It should come here. Service file we have, or we don't have service file. Service file is not there. Let me create one service file. Hold on. Simple, I will write h1 services. This file is loading, they are not. Services. File name is service. Not coming here. Not coming here. Rows is not happen. Now what to do in that? Let me try with the calls. For the column level, we have solution. But for row level, anyway, we have no solution. It's not coming. It's not coming here. Okay. What can be the reason? Anyone? Loading for anyone? Loading. Service file coming. Welcome and service both. But what I made mistake here? So me once. Service file. Anyone else? Come in. Come in. My page, it has divided. Welcome file. Welcome. Mine is not coming. Okay, let me try here HTML and words, everything. Info file. BG color do I need to give here? BG color as a yellow. %, I have written, right? Okay, but which file I am running here? Oh, see, what is this? I have written the code in example 4. I am running the 3. See how it will work. I'm running the example number 3 and I have modified under the 4. Okay, so let it be row wise. Row wise. You should run the 4th number. I hope you are also not doing mistake. Coming now. Okay, so combinedly all we were running the 3rd example and the code was modified under the 4th. Source itself is wrong and definitely destination will be wrong.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, service dot, sir, open the file service.html.
Service.html.
Yes, sir.
Plain file, just write anything.
Sir, just a minute. Sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm? You are mentioned the another file. एक second. File mentioned. And then this file has this links. Now you tell me, everyone was saying will break into will apply under the welcome file. That was wrong solution or not? Welcome file you cannot. Welcome file is the individual. Welcome have no any right to divide into multiple blocks. Everything should be done under the main file only, parent file. Okay.
Hello, sir. It has no divide.
Hmm?
Sir, it has no divide.
It has not divided.
No, sir.
Send your example 4.html in the chat. I will guide you.
Okay, sir.
Normal. In service file, if you have written something, that file is saved or not. This is your code I have taken. This is your
Sir,
code I have taken.
Sir, it is just saved.
The code I have taken, it is your code only. Now see, is it dividing? No. That means there is a mistake in your code. Not code. You have not saved your file. Save the service file and then run.
Yeah, sir. Done.
Save the file and again
Okay,
run
sir.
the example 4.html. It should work.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then dividing into multiple blocks is ready. In case if anyone asks, the left page you have left block where the marquee is coming and going, or leave the left block. Okay, this block, the footer section is coming. Can you divide into 2 column or maybe 3 column? Possible. The green block is coming. We want you to divide into 3 blocks, and in each 3 block give different color and write Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, some city name in each 3 block. The last block, the green color is coming. Footer, where is that? In which file? Example 4.html, correct? Here is the footer. So as for the last practice, you have to delete the footer and open the frame set, close the frame set, and column equal to how many? 3. And in each column, call page 1, page 2, page 3 something, or maybe color 1, color 2, color 2, or maybe footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, and give different color, red, green, blue, and check happening or not. Try. Hope you are modifying. The footer section, green color is coming, where 3 blocks should appear. There 3 blocks should appear. Two more file you have to create. After completion, you can let me know if footer is coming in the 3 sections. Already one footer we have. You need to create 2 more file. Footer 2 and footer 3, or footer 1 and footer 2. Green, blue, any color you give. Completed. Anyone can share the code in the chat. Footer, if you are divided into 3 sections. Last 3 lines you can send in the chat. Happening. Send, please. I'm waiting for your code. Footer code. The footer line was supposed to divide into 3 columns. Now, see, this is the case. You are supposed to create a frame set here, and it should be column wise. False equal to how much will come? 33, 33, one more 33. So there will be footer, footer 2, one more footer 3. Only this many was the code to write, but we found no response. Okay, next after that, let me show you where is the problem. Here is the condition. Two more files are there, that is not there.
sir.
Tell me,
Please,
sir.
sir, please open the service.html file.
Service dot.
Service.html file.
Okay. HTML.
Yes, sir.
Service.html file you have seen no sometime before.
Yes,
Only
sir.
color is written yellow.
No, sir. Example 4 file open. Sir, open the example 4.html.
So in that website, the frame set example you have created, it right or not? The the assignment we have completed, the frame set related. Blue screen was there, no? So what I'm saying is, in this website, we have, that is called this one, LMS. In that HTML assignment, if I go directly, in HTML assignment, the set number few was there. You might have tried this table and you have tried. In set number 3, this is based on not this one. Here is the set one. This is the based on frame set. Set number 6. This only we tried or some other? We tried or not? Not tried. Set 3, what we have in set 3? Okay, in set 3, okay, these two you have tried. Okay, so what is the next task is, based on today class, you are going to work on this one. Set number 6. Set number 6 is complete as what we have done today. You should not copy paste the code. You have to write manually. Okay, see the photo. See, the photo will be similar what we have done today. Look like similar, no? In middle section, how many column? 2 column. Today we have made how many column? 3 column. With the 30-70 combination. Yesterday we have made 2 column combination. Let me go here. Other pages. In that you have to use the photos table something. It's right. Okay. So which set number? Set number 6. Under the set number 6, total 2, 4, 5 photos are there. Try today. Okay. This set number 6, 5 photos are there. You are going to try that. Okay. Then tomorrow we will enter under this area. That is called, this all are input box. This what we are doing as of now, all are output tab. This all are called as input tabs. Okay, input tabs. So for the input tag, we will learn tomorrow first input tag, how to write and what are the properties. And after tomorrow class again, you can try this. This suggests maybe you will go for the set number 5 and then you will come to the set number 4. This is look easier and this look little difficult. Okay, so after doing this, so tomorrow task is this one. Which one? Not tomorrow, today. For today, you are going to work on set number 6. After learning the form tag, we'll go for the set number 5 and set number 4. And this 1 and 2 you have tried already. Table related, all idea is clear. Okay. HTML5 we have separate. It is not combination of all. Once we come under the CSS, then along with CSS, we will use the HTML5 tags. HTML5 tag will not give you any look and feel without CSS. So HTML5, all the tags are linked with the CSS. We have to write the CSS and then HTML5 tags, then it will give some value. Okay. So that we are going to come under the next week. Once we finish the HTML, as of now, we have some more form related that we will learn in the next 1 to 3 classes, and then we'll come back to the next. Okay, that will be CSS. And after getting idea of basic CSS, we'll merge the HTML4 tag, HTML5 tags. Assignment you should keep doing. That is kind of a homework that will increase you a lot of confidence. Okay, so hope you will follow that. See you tomorrow.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Tell me.
Can I? Sir, in example number 4, you can divide the columns footer row in 33%, 33%, and 33%. But previously you said that we have to divide the things in 100%.
This is covering total full width, no?
Yes.
By default, if you look into the other file, suppose example 3, if I run, footer is covering how much? Footer is covering here total full width.
Yes.
Full width. So full width is how much?
100%. Yes.
Now use here same, no? 33.33. 0.33 I have not written. Where is that? 0.33 I have not written here because between two frames there will be border also. Okay. So the border will do an adjustment. So 33 only we get. 0.33 we have not written. 33, 33, 33 it will become 99. 1% is not there because by default between between two frames there will be some gap.
Okay.
So for that gap we have left 1% as a buffer.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.